Hello and welcome back, students. Today we are going to start the chapter number 3 of your computer book, that is Queries, Forms and Reports in Access 2016. So, in last chapter we have seen the MS Access, what is MS Access and what it is used for, what are the uses of MS Access, and it is a part of the package software MS Office. MS Access is the software that is used to maintain database, to create database. So it's a RDBMS, relational database management system. That is software MS Access. Now the uses of MS Access: how to ask queries, how to get the report, how to get the form, or how to pop out or take out the data from the table or the database, created database. Let's see that. So it's written there, MS Access is indeed a powerful tool for database management. We have already seen in last chapter. As we already know, the database table is the foundation of all other objects. Objects means the relatable data, like name with the address and the phone number and email address related to a person. So these are the objects. These objects are the database table, query, form and report. Okay. In this chapter, we are going to study about queries, forms, and reports in MS Access. The three major things, that is queries, forms, and reports. Queries are nothing but to ask or to get the data, or ask the required data from the database. That is queries. Queries is nothing but questions. Forms are nothing but to put the data, relatable data, that is name, address of a person, like a pin code or and all. Then report is the most important thing of database, to generate the report, like report card. As we can take example of your report card, that is the example to generate the report of any data that is inserted or um, given in the database. So here you can see in learn more corner, it's written there, all types of data in sorted tables. uh, Table is the warehouse of the information you store in database. So table is nothing but the warehouse is the place where we store the things. So is the table is nothing but is just like a warehouse of your data. Here, query is either a request or a question. As I said, that it's a question that you ask. It displays different records from the table that meet a certain criteria. Form is a graphical representation of a table. It helps you to add, delete, or update records in a table. Report is a way to present in the data in printed format. See the last line. Report is the way to present in the data in printed format. So this is the most important thing and most important aspect of MS Access, to generate report in printed format. So first thing, we are going to start queries. Queries means questions or the request. With a query, you can display the records, sort the data, and even combine data from different tables. When you need to know what objects are being created for a database, you can run a query against an access system table to generate a list of all the current reports and queries. It means if you know that what data or what are information are stored in the database, so you can ask or request to get the information. Suppose you know that in a table or database, your friend's name, phone number, email, address, pin code, all the things are saved in the table or the database. So you can ask or you can request a query to pop out or take the information, that you can ask, give me the address of my friend Ramesh. So it will be popped out and MS Access can show the address of Ramesh. This is the query. So here in MS Access, how to ask or how to create a query, or how to ask MS Access to give me the information. A query is always based on tables or on other queries. Follow the given steps to create a query. To ask a question, follow the steps. Click on create tab. So once you open the MS Access, here is the create tab. You can say that tab is there, create tab. Then click on query design in the queries group. So queries group is here, so you can click on the query design like this, and the show table dialog box appears. See the dialog box, this is the dialog box appeared, and then see here, show table pop-up box is appeared, and here is the field address, friends. This is the fields of the table. Select the table on which you want to generate the query, click on add button. So this is the table address and friends, two tables are there through which table you can ask a question. It means through which table you want the information. So as I took example that address of my friend, so address table is there, select the address like it's selected, select that and click on add here. So if you click add, so it will be added. Then click on close button, so close button here itself, so you can after clicking add, so you can click close button, it will be closed. Come to the query window. What it shows, query window or query designer window has two parts. The top of the window is called the free field list area. So two uh, parts are there. First part is called field list area. Field list for the tables and the queries can be inserted in this area. It means the first part is asking which from which table you want the query. The tables and queries of your choice will be displayed in the field list area. You can add tables and queries to the field list area by dragging them from the database window. So you can create, but you have to drag from the query database window. It is here itself. So now just below the field list area is the design grid, where you can fields on the query and also specify the criteria. Let us know about the design grid. So here it is. After that database window, you can ask for the design grid. Okay, this is the let us know about the design grid. So design grid, it is here. See, this is the design grid. The bottom pane is the top pane. Top pane, it's already told that address and all you can get that, and bottom pane, this is the grid. Okay, the picture is not so much clear, but it is a grid, the dotted lines. If you have the book, so you can see this one, field, table, sort, show. Here is all the things are there, and it is shown here the things. First one is field, table, sort, criteria or row. What are those? Let's see. Field, it displays the fields. So fields means fields of the table. In a table, suppose address is a table, so in that address, pin code, phone number, these are the fields. Second one is table, it displays the table's name, from which table you want. Sort, sorting, you know that two types of sorting is there, descending and ascending order. Criteria, it displays check mark which indicates that this field will be visible when the query runs. It means which thing you want from the table. Suppose you want only address of your friend, so check mark will be there. See the boxes, check boxes are there. These are the check boxes. See this one, so check boxes are there. Suppose this one is address, so check this box and leave all the boxes. So check boxes are there called criteria. If you don't want to get this information, so you can unmark that checkbox. Or so it shows that it is used to specify the condition on the basis of which the records will be filtered. Okay, now row, it is used to specify the multiple criteria. Multiple criteria means you can click more check boxes, so you will get more fields and information. Now using a query means these grid lines will be shown taking one example how to use it. See this, using a query. A query is a request to display database information in a window format. If you want to use a query, you need to add fields, specify the criteria in the design and grid, and after that run the query. If you want to create a query based on students table to display the records regarding their roll numbers, follow the given steps. So if you want to get the information from this table, suppose this one, student table. This is a student table. In that table, three fields are there: roll number, name, marks. Three fields are there. So through this field you want to get the information. So for that you request step by step. First step says that select the required field from field row in the design grid. So design grid is here. Of that, the for this table, design grid shows this one. See, three fields are there. As I said, that roll number, name, marks. Okay, then table is student, 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 means from the same table three fields are there. Then sorting, sort descending, descending, descending. Then show, all three fields will be shown in your figure. Okay, in your output. Come here, select the required design grid or double click on the field from the table. Select the order of sorting of the sort row. So we have already selected descending. Specify the criteria row, for example, type less than 70 under the marks column and save the query. So under the marks, see this one, under the marks field, it's written there less than 70. It means those who got less than 70 marks, it will be shown only those students roll number, name and marks. To see the result, click on design tab, result group, run option. So where to go? Design tab, then result group. See, the result group will be there. Okay, result group, then we have to see the result group, and then we have to go on run here, step 4. So you will get the answer or requested query. Forms, how to get the forms. Forms are the graphical interfaces that are used for data entry as well as the displaying data and other objects. So in the forms you will get the only information for only one data or one person. They supply navigation through information entered into an Access database and allow the user to easily manage data. Design View provides the user with the ability to enhance the appearance of forms in a database beyond the options provided through the form wizard. Form wizard means form option. See, this is the form option here. Student roll number 1, name, and then marks. So it is the form to create or insert the different field or edit that one. Creating form, how to create that one. Follow the given steps to create a form. Choose the table. So choose the table means which table you want to, in which table you want to make the form. Click on the create tab. Okay, create tab will be here. See this one, this is the create tab. Click on the create tab, then you will get a form. So click on form from the forms group. So group name will be forms, and then form you have to click. See this one, see this one, the forms group is there and the form option here. So you have to click and you will get the form like this. Form, you will get a form with all the fields of the selected table placed on it. Navigation bar can be used to move through the records. Form display, in how many ways the form can be displayed. There are three form displays there. There are three views in which a form is displayed: is form view, layout view and design view. Okay, three things are there, so you can get here. See this one, three ways are there to get the display of the form. Next one is that reports. Query done, form done, now report, last aspect of the MS Access, that is an Access report is a formatted desired way to print out any part of your database information. Information in a report can be sorted, queried, formatted, calculated, or summarized. Means all the processed thing done, then you can generate the report. Your report can be based on either a table or a query. Okay, creating a report. How to create the report? See this one. This is kind of a report. You can get the things only roll number, name, and marks will be there. How to generate the report? If you want to create a report in MS Access, follow the given steps. Click on the create tab. Create tab is there. Here you can click on that and click on report in reports group. Here reports group is there, and then report. You will get a report with all the fields of the selected table placed on it. So you can select and you can generate the report. So how many views are there to see the report? There are four views. each view has a specific purpose in creating and modifying new report. So in forms, only three views were there: form view, layout view, and design view. But here, to view the report, four views are there: report view, print view, layout view, and design view. In that, you can see this is the end of your chapter. If you have any confusion, you can ask, and later on I will be sharing the questions and all other things. Thank you.